Hello everyone, this is Ankita Berde. Welcome you all in our today's lecture, that is the scope and objectives of pharmaceutical chemistry. This is my official YouTube channel by the name Ankita Berde. If you had not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe first and press the bell icon to get the latest updates of upcoming videos. In previous two parts, we had seen in detail about the introduction to pharmaceutical chemistry theory syllabus. From today onwards, we will actually start to our chapters, that is your syllabus. First of all, what is meant by pharmaceutical chemistry? And one more point, while listening the lecture, take pen and notebook in front of you and write down the important points from the lecture, because see on the slide that everything is not mentioned on the slide. म्हणजे काय, स्लाईडवरती सगळ्या गोष्टी आहेत किंवा मी जे काय सगळं बोलते ते स्लाईडवरती लिहिलेलं नसतं. सो तुम्हाला पेन आणि नोटबुक घेऊन लेक्चरला बसायचं आहे आणि मी जे जे काही बोलते स्लाइड शिवाय जे जे काही अजून मी काही सांगत आहे ते पॉइंट्स तुम्हाला नोटबुकमध्ये लिहायचे आहेत. देन व्हॉट इज मीन बाय फार्मास्युटिकल केमिस्ट्री? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फार्मास्युटिकल केमिस्ट्री, इट इज द केमिस्ट्री ऑफ द मेडिसिन. Pharmaceutical chemistry deals with the study of the chemical nature, chemical name, physical properties, chemical properties, method of preparation, uses, stability conditions and storage conditions. Then its category like molecular weight and everything. It is studied under the pharmaceutical chemistry. There are various branches of pharmaceutical chemistry. These different branches are organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, phytochemistry, medicinal chemistry, biochemistry. These are the different branches of our pharmaceutical chemistry. So for the whole year in the pharmaceutical chemistry, we are going to see inorganic compounds and organic compounds. Inorganic means what? There is a carbon and hydrogen bond is not involved. So you all know, you had studied the basic chemistry in the 11th and 12th science. You are all 12th pass out science students and listening the lectures. So you all know that carbon is having the basic tendency that carbon is forming the bond with the hydrogen, with the oxygen. कार्बनच्याकडे काय टेंडन्सी असते? कार्बन हा जो मॉलिक्यूल आहे तो हायड्रोजन सोबत, ऑक्सिजन सोबत काय करत असतो? तर बॉन्ड जो काही आहे हा बॉन्ड फॉर्म करत असतो. आणि अशी जी कंपाऊंड्स आहेत की ज्याच्यामध्ये कार्बन हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इन्व्हॉल्व नसतं, मीन्स दोज कंपाऊंड्स वेअर देर इज अ not involvement of the carbon and hydrogen bond, all these compounds are the inorganic compounds. So our first few chapters are there, starting from that hematinics is also there, antimicrobials, the agents are there, then see the medicinal gases are there. So these are, and then antacids category is there, antacids are there. So these are inorganic compounds. See, these some salts are also there, NaCl, sodium chloride आहे, then aluminium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide are there. These are the antacids. In the previous part we had seen that. If you had not watched my that previous video, then under the playlist of pharmaceutical chemistry PCI syllabus, go to my channel, go to under the playlist section. So in that playlist, different playlists are there. Under that, pharmaceutical chemistry as per the PCI syllabus, its playlist is there. This is playlist is particular for the pharmaceutical chemistry as per the PCI, new PCI syllabus. So under go to that, then you will get that lecture. If you had not watched that video, then firstly watch my previous two videos, then listen this one. So And see now, organic compounds means there is a involvement of the benzene and like heterocyclic compounds are there. So in your pharmaceutical chemistry, there are two branch, that is medicinal chemistry, that organic chemistry, and inorganic chemistry. There is an involvement of that. In medicinal chemistry, we are going to see drugs acting on the different system, pharmacological uses, therapeutic uses of the drug. So in today's class we are going to see the scope and objectives of our pharmaceutical chemistry, that is title heading of our lecture, that is the scope and objectives of pharmaceutical chemistry. Now see here. So here we are going to see today what is the scope of pharmaceutical chemistry. Pharmaceutical chemistry हा subject चा scope काय आहे पुढे. So that scope is this subject is particularly deals with the monograph of the drugs and pharmaceutical. What is mean by the monograph? Monograph, it is the complete information of the drug. So in that everything information about the drug comes under the heading monograph. That is name of the drug. For example, boric acid. So synonym for that boric acid, it is the borax and like that. Then molecular weight of boric acid, molecular formula of boric acid, physical properties of boric acid, chemical properties of that boric acid, then method of preparation of boric acid, uses of boric acid, then storage conditions, stability conditions of that particular compound. That everything we are studying under the monograph. So in that whole year chemistry we are going to see that everything that is in detail monograph of that drug, that is the compound and pharmaceutical. See, when the drug we are converted into the dosage form, means suppose paracetamol drug is there, name of the drug is paracetamol, but along with that paracetamol in when we are going to prepare tablet, म्हणजे पॅरासिटामॉलची जेव्हा टॅबलेट बनते तेव्हा त्याच्यामध्ये फक्त पॅरासिटामॉल प्रेझेंट नसतो, तर पॅरासिटामॉल सोबतच त्या टॅबलेटमध्ये डायल्युएंट असेल, मीन्स इन our pharmaceutic subjects we are going to see that in detail. डायल्युएंट असेल, फिलर असेल, डिसइंटिग्रेटिंग एजंट्स आहेत. सो कोटिंग जर असेल तर ते कोटिंग एजंट. सो ते सगळं त्या टॅबलेटमध्ये काय असतं, त्या पॅरासिटामॉलच्या टॅबलेटमध्ये असतं. आणि तो पूर्ण जो डोसेज फॉर्म टॅबलेट जी तयार होते, अ ड्रग अलॉंग विथ दॅट डायल्युएंट्स, दॅट एव्हरीथिंग इज देअर, त्याला आपण त्या डोसेज फॉर्मला वी कॉल ॲज अ फार्मास्युटिकल्स, त्याला आपण फार्मास्युटिकल्स असं म्हणतो. So that we are going to see in the pharmaceutical chemistry. Then after that, next one, it is the objectives of the pharmaceutical chemistry. So in the previous part we had seen about the objectives of pharmaceutical chemistry. If you had not watched that previous one video, then watch that previous one video. Check the description box also. Under the description box you will get the link for that objectives of the pharmaceutical chemistry. In that we had seen that students should able to get the knowledge about the chemical classification, chemical nature of the drug, pharmacological usage, then different types of the dosage forms, impurities in the pharmaceuticals, different quality control test for the pharmaceuticals. ह्या स्टुडंटला माहिती असल्या पाहिजे. कोर्सचे ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह आपण प्रिव्हियस लेक्चरमध्ये बघितले होते की स्टुडंटला केमिकल क्लासिफिकेशन काय आहे, केमिकल नेम काय आहे, देन त्या एखादा पर्टिक्युलर ड्रग आहे, ॲस्पिरिन जर आहे तर ॲस्पिरिन कशासाठी वापरतात, डायक्लोफिनॅक आहे, डायक्लोफिनॅक पेनिंगसाठी वापरलं जातात. इट्स अन अँटी इन्फ्लॅमेटरी, इट्स अ नॉन स्टेरॉइडल अँटी इन्फ्लॅमेटरी ड्रग. सो त्याचा यूज आहे हा स्टुडंटला माहिती असला पाहिजे. So that we had seen in our previous part. So if you had not watched my video, then go to playlist, watch that objectives I had explained there in detail. So in the exams also you can ask the question, what is the scope of pharmaceutical chemistry, what are the objectives of the pharmaceutical chemistry, the definition of the pharmaceutical chemistry, everything that we had seen in the first lecture. So pharmaceutical chemistry, it's a chemistry of the medicine, then it is deals with the drug discovery and the development. Sub branches of the pharmaceutical chemistry are analytical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, biochemistry, medicinal chemistry and phytochemistry. Then after that, scope of the subject, that subject is deals with the monograph of the drugs and pharmaceuticals. Then different objectives of the pharmaceutical chemistry, that is students should know about the chemical classification, chemical name of the drug. Then students should know the pharmacological therapeutic uses of that drug, impurity testing in the pharmaceutical, quality control test in the pharmaceuticals. सो ह्याचं नॉलेज जे काही आहे सगळं म्हणजे स्टुडंटला केमिकल क्लासिफिकेशन, त्या ड्रगचा यूज काय आहे हे सगळं सांगता आलं पाहिजे. स्टुडंटला ते माहिती असलं पाहिजे. हा त्याचा काय असतो, तर पर्टिक्युलर सब्जेक्टचा ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह असतो. So this is all about the today's video. So thank you so much for fully watching this video. Happy learning. Post your valuable comments in the comments box, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe first. Please press the like button, like my video, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates of upcoming videos. Stay tuned for the next video. So in the next lecture we are going to start about the sources and types of the errors, accuracy, precision, significant figures, that we are going to see in detail errors and its type. Thank you.